Okay, hi everybody. So Steph here. It's January 25th. We're getting a lot of snow today. So I'm in the house. I'm showing you that's Betty Whiteout. That's our Yarbo. She's pretty covered. And then Kip is right here with his phone. He's going to go into the Yarbo app and get her started. So he clicks on Yarbo, Betty Whiteout. She's already mapped in there, right? So what's it doing right now?
It's getting a GPS bearing.
Okay. So it usually takes a couple minutes, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's got a partial reading. It may go, it may not go. Kind of depends if it's good enough. So we'll give it a try. It says battery heating. That'll kind of toggle on and off as needed. But you can see she's pretty covered.
Mm-hmm. I hear her out there. She's not going to move if she sees us here, right? Because we're inside
Possibly.
the house.
Depends on the reflection on the door.
Okay, she's right over there. We don't have to be this close to her, but I wanted to show you her moving. Okay, so her lights are coming on. And there she goes. We have quite a bit of snow here. Probably, I'm gonna guess, 6 inches-ish. So right now she's on the transport path and she's heading down the walkway over to the driveway. So I'm gonna stop recording and come back with her on the driveway.